It's morning time. I gotta get ready. I need breakfast. Alright, to wash my hands. Alright. Set. Screw to me. There. Time to eat some eggs. I'm hungry.
What a great day. Just relaxing with this egg. Nothing could ruin my day. Where's Chuck? Hey, Chuck. Chuck, come back. Come on here. Hey, Chuck.
Hey.
I'm just sitting here with the golden egg and just me on my phone, you know. Yeah, and I don't know why do we have a phone with birds. We don't use a phone.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, Blue.
Oh, what you guys doing?
Oh, we're just here like chilling. We're seeing where the golden egg and looking on this phone where different apps, which I don't know.
Well,
I don't know.
Well, I heard something from this house.
Wait, what's going on?
Well, I heard some green guy said it says I trying to cook some eggs. Oh no!
Eggs? Oh no!
Well, he's not from the grocery store.
Oh no!
But he's not gonna take this. Well, I would.
He's the green. He's the green dude. Oh, it's the pigs. Oh, we got attack them. Oh.
Okay.
What?
Hey, Red, I have a golden egg.
Oh, all right, good. We gotta be waiting. Probably it's one of the pigs.
Right.
Oh, we gotta get ready on station. There are, boys.
Yeah.
The birds, they're right there in the house. Oh, all right, yo. That's where the birds are. All right, we gotta get that golden egg for the king.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
No, give me an oink.
Oink.
No, it's like this. Good enough. Here we come, birds. Hello, birds. Did you miss us? What? The pigs?
Oh no!
What are y'all doing here?
It's the pigs!
Oh, hold on. Yes, we're here. We're gonna kill you all. You're not gonna kill us?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not gonna kill us. Oh, we are. We're gonna be making a big mess. Wait, we cannot do this here. Let's do it somewhere else. This is someone's porch.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, shut up, bro. All right. Let's take this fight out here. Yeah, on the grass. Let's go.
All right. Yeah.
All right, guys. We're going against our sworn enemy, the pigs.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, there's 3 of them, but hopefully we can stop them. So, Chuck, I want you to go hit enemy line, and Blue, you just sacrifice yourself, and me, I'll do the same thing. Yeah.
Red, I was coughing.
Whatever. I mean, it's kind of getting sick here, but look, right now, I guess that's the plan. We're all gonna go on them, alright? We're gonna be waiting when I'm ready. Alright, guys, we got our building ready, and we're gonna be getting ready for the birds.
Yeah,
The birds, we're ready to kick some butt. Alright, they're ready for us. Let's go!
Yeah.
Alright, guys, we're ready. Alright, guys. We gotta duck down.
Yeah,
Duck down. Yeah.
Oh, don't worry hey there. I got a gun here. Oh, that's with 1 bullet. Okay, then you bam.
Oh my God, Blue, go! Oh my God, you science pig, show them. We lost. No.
The team will follow us.
See, I'm tired enough. See, I'm going after the yellow bird and the red bird. That's enough. We're going after them. We're going out. Chuck, go stop them.
Okay.
Go. No, we lost. Oh, we'll get you birds next time. I gotta go. Oh, we won, guys. We won. Oh, yeah. We won. Yeah, Yeah, we won. All right, now let's go. Let's go. Yes, we did it. We did it. Yeah. Man.